Canfod y Gan Discover the Song is a project by Canolfan Gardd William Matthias in partnership with the Gwynedd Learning Disabilities team. It was founded in 2018 with a 3.5-year grant from Spirit of 2012. Since then, Canfod y Gan has been working in 3 locations across Gwynedd, in Carnarvon, Pwllheli and Harlech, providing creative music sessions and performances for the groups.
In our sessions, we get the opportunity to play musical instruments and try new things. We share our favourite music and sing a lot of songs. We've also written and recorded our own original songs. But most importantly, we have a lot of fun.
Dwi'n really joio dod Canfod y Gan, canu efo pawb, neu ffindio efo gilydd a bawb yn bod yn hapus yn y music.
Learning different songs and learning like how to play instruments. Mae jyst bod yn ystafell efo rhywun yn rhannu cerdd yn holl bwysig. A mae'n o ran iechyd meddwl hefyd, enwedig ar ôl y Covid.
Happy, excited and confident.
Lot. Needs a lot. Yeah. You know, doing stuff with other people, like, you know, get together, everyone around. Yeah.
Canfod y Gan wedi bod yn bwysig iawn ac yn dal i fod yn bwysig i ni, dwi'n meddwl i gyd.
Dyna 'di'r pethau sy'n nghadw i fynd. Dyna 'di'r pethau sy'n nghadw'n bositif. Dyna 'di'r pethau sy'n nghadw i fynd. Dyna 'di'r pethau sy'n nghadw'n bositif.
We're very thankful to Gwynedd Council and the Steve Morgan Foundation for their support to continue with this project. To find out more about Canfod y Gan and exciting developments coming soon, visit our website www.canfodygan.com and follow us on social media at Canfod y Gan.